Here on the Google search, you want to search for WIX Contact Support, and then you want to click on the second choice on support.wix.com, or with the address list on support.wix.com, article contacting Wix customer care for support. I will leave this link on the description, so you can just click on it. And then here on a Got Question, you want to click on Get Started. And then here on Ask Me Anything, you can start to tell Wix about the problem that you have on your website. So for example, I will put my problem as desktop and mobile layout doesn't sync. Just click on this blue arrow. And before you continue, you want to make sure you are logging in into your Wix account that having the problem, not just a random Wix account. So here you can reply to the AI that Wix has provided. Again, just click on the blue arrow, and then they will reply in a second. And you can just go on chatting with the Wix AI helper. And then at the end, the Wix bot will eventually give you an article that related to your problem. But if you need to speak to a real person, you can just type in speak to a Wix representative about your problem here. And my problem is desktop and mobile layout doesn't sync. So Wix AI will make you choose which of the website that having a problem. Just click on one of them. And then you can also attach some additional info. Just click on the blue arrow again. And then here, you can start a live chat with a real person, or you can make a phone call by click on request a callback now. You can just choose on one of them. But for this video, I'm gonna choose a callback. Just click on it. And then here, you can just add your phone number. After that, you want to wait for a minute, and then they will call you and speak to you in real time. And I do recommend for you to stand by on your phone and computer or laptop on the specific Wix site editor, because the customer service will also accompany you and looking on your website altogether. And there you go. If you still have any question about Wix, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.